Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle, where we bring you the latest reviews on the hottest cars in the market. Today, we're diving deep into the Tesla Model S, a car that's redefining the luxury electric sedan experience. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the design. The Model S hasn't just aged well, it's evolved. Its aerodynamic shape, flush door handles, and minimalistic design make it one of the most recognizable Fs on the road. For Tesla has refined the front bumper and added new color options like Ultra Red. It screams elegance and performance. Step inside, and you're greeted with Tesla's signature minimalism. The yoke steering wheel is still a polarizing feature, but Tesla offers a round wheel option for those who prefer a classic touch. The 17-inch cinematic display is stunning, not only responsive but also supports 2200 by 1300 resolution for ultra-clear visuals. And yes, it rotates for driver or passenger convenience. The 22-speaker audio system delivers an immersive experience, and there's even ventilated seats for ultimate comfort. Rear passengers aren't left out either, with an 8-inch screen for entertainment. Now, let's talk performance. The Model S Plaid is a beast, with 3 electric motors delivering a staggering 1020 horsepower. It can hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.99 seconds. That's not just fast, that's hypercar territory. Even the base Model S offers impressive performance, with a range of up to 405 miles. The Plaid version sacrifices a bit of range for speed but still delivers around 396 miles. For road trips or daily commutes, this car sets the standard. Tesla's autopilot continues to lead the pack in driver assistance technology, with full self-driving capability. Still in beta, the car can navigate city streets, handle highway driving, and even park itself. While it's not fully autonomous yet, it's a glimpse into the future. Charging is a breeze with access to Tesla's vast supercharger network. With speeds of up to 250 kilowatts, you can get around 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes. For home charging, the upgraded wall connector ensures overnight top-ups are seamless. The Model S starts at around $89,990, while the Plaid version will set you back $108,490. It's a hefty price tag, but when you factor in the performance, range, and technology, it's hard to find a comparable competitor. So, is the Tesla Model S worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're looking for cutting-edge tech, exhilarating performance, or eco-friendly luxury, this car delivers on all fronts. It's not just a car, it's a statement. That wraps up our review of the Tesla Model S. What do you think? Would you go for the Plaid, or stick with the base model? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews. Until next time, drive safe and stay charged.